the strong feeling that this is our home, not a particular place, not a particular region, not a particular city, not a particular country, but this, the entire earth, that planet, that feels like a home. And I was finding it very hard to explain it to people as to why should it be so? Why should it be so difficult, or no, this feeling should be strong? And then I thought about it. Why do we think like it? So I have an analogy which I talk to people about. When we are kids, there are kids sitting here, school going children. When you go to your school, your home in some ways is your identity, your parents, your brothers and sisters, your friends at home. And when you leave your school, you go to a college. To everybody in the college, your school is your identity, that I'm from such and such school. And when you leave your college, you go to, in your jobs or somewhere else, your college becomes your identity. I'm from such and such college. I was approached by a gentleman who was representing some of the college here, representing some vice chancellor. When you leave your city, you go to some other city, you are from your city, that you become kind of, your sense of identity comes from your original place. And as an extension, when you leave your country, you go to some other country to work, your country becomes your identity. And very naturally, when you leave your planet and you go outside, your planet becomes your identity. And it's a very strong feeling, you cannot really miss it. And that is the closest thing that I could find of a good explanation of how to describe what we feel when we go out and when we look at this planet from the outside. So that is what is called as one of the effects of under the umbrella term overview effect. And that is what was very, very strong for me when I traveled.